Okay, so we're going to be installing Hacs now. It's another repository of good stuff that you can install, and what I'm doing is setting you up from the bottom up to get this really good foundation. So we need another SSH terminal for this. It's a web-based version of it. So the first thing you need to do is go to add-ons and go to the install, and what you're going to look for is the one that says, not this one, but the other one now. So I've already installed it. It's called I'll go back to mine. Let's go back. It's called this one, SSH and Web Terminal. Just go ahead and install that, and then under the configuration you're going to make a password. I'm going to change mine, but for right now it's just going to be Bob. Okay? So after you get that done, you should be able to just go over to info and hit start. And then you can hit open web UI. And you get this. Okay, so the next thing we're going to need is the repository for Hacs. So to get that, you just go to Google and you type in Hacs, H-A-C-S, Home Assistant. Okay, and you go here, go to download, and you're going to copy this little bit of script. Use the little button right here, save yourself a headache, and then you go into your Home Assistant. Okay, you're in the terminal window, and here's where it gets fun. Okay, on a PC it's Shift Control V. Okay, on a Mac it's Shift Command V. Okay, Shift Control V for PC, Shift Command V for Mac. Okay, then you put your cursor, press your arrow key over once, and then hit enter. And this is what will happen. Okay, after you get done, it just takes a second to install, and then you restart. So to do that, you go to settings, you go to system, and then you do a restart. Once it restarts, I'll show you the next start. Alright, once we have that installed, we can log back into the system after it kicks you out. Okay, and then we're going to go to settings and then devices and services. Okay, this is the integration. Now somewhere on this button, add integration. It's over here in the corner, past my cameras. Okay, and then we're going to install Hacs. I know how to access hack logs, I know this, I know that. You know everything. Submit. So I'm going to open this. And I think I already have an account. Oh yes, sweet. So if you don't have an account, make an account. Alright, so once I've checked my mail, I have this. Yay, and then I got the other code. Hate this. So secure. Let me guess, it's not gonna let me paste it in. You are bad. Say 4A70. 4 5A70. 5A7D. Alright. Anything else? Blood? You want blood? Okay, authorize Hacs. Okay, now I'm connected to Hacs. Woohoo! And I can go back, and I have Hacs now. And this Hacs I'm going to put in a new area. Hacs. You don't have to do this part, but if you want to do it. Finish. So now I got Hacs, and there we go. Hacs is not bad to install, but it's a little fussy sometimes. So if you don't get that, slow down. I didn't cut anything out, so except for my email. Obviously, I don't want you reading that. Alright, we have Hacs. That's all I wanted to do was install it. Okay, as far as putting integrations in, that's another video altogether. For now, you have Hacs. Enjoy.